Alright, CEB review time by request, and I was probably going to do it anyway. The Chicken Big Mac, which this might be a Chicken Big Mac or a regular Big Mac. I don't know. It's the Chicken Big Mac. So, obviously, the only difference between a regular Big Mac and this is it's chicken. But the chicken patty, I believe, 99% sure on this, is tempura battered. Ooh, it's hot. The bread is hot. Okay. Which, anyway, the batter's tempura, which is unlike any other patty they have. What it's like is a chicken nugget. So, let's see what that's like. Get into it. I'm going to have to say they kind of really sauced this one up. I think it's one of the things that just depends on who's working and which McDonald's. This one has a lot of the special sauce on it. Excuse me. Hold on. I have a straw here somewhere, but okay. So, unfortunately, like I said, it is very. They kind of oversauce this one, but like I said, I don't think that's probably not a regular thing. It just happened. The person working put probably a little more sauce on it than they should have. With that said, it is really good. It's like the chicken nugget, which it tastes like chicken nugget, and the chicken nugget is so much better than the regular chicken patties. Even the deluxe. The only thing, yeah, I wish it wasn't so over sauced. You know what? This side looks a little less sauced. And I get a better idea. There we go. That is really good. I mean, I'd do that over regular Big Mac. Which I did get a regular Big Mac too. But that's for when I'm watching my Caledonian Braves after I film this. But with that in mind, and to not have another 15-minute long video, let me wrap this up. Would I recommend it? Very much so. As long as, anyone who eats fast food and likes chicken nuggets or special sauce or McDonald's, well, you can always get it without any of that stuff. But that's kind of cool. They have a patty that's like a nugget, and I keep looking at the wrong place. The camera's here. I kind of wish they would use this to springboard and maybe have all their patties tempura battered, because it's money, and I think it's just better, like by a lot. So yeah, that's it. like, subscribe, turn notifications, follow. Give me a request of anything else you want me to review. And my guy who wants the weird ice cream, me to try weird ice creams. I've decided what I'm going to do is just pick a store, get the weirdest ice cream they have, try it out, review it, and then go to a different store, get the weirdest ice cream they have, review it. So it'll be kind of a little bit of a series, depending on how many different stores I can find that have different ice creams. But yeah, like I said, like, subscribe, turn notifications, follow, leave your requests, or anything else you can do. We should get a Patreon.